Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by checking Essentials. Confirm your iOS version and backup settings so you can revert changes. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This is where Auto Brightness lives. First, toggle Auto Brightness off, wait a few seconds, then turn it on again to reset its calibration. Make sure to note how brightness responds to different lighting. This helps verify whether the change fixed the sensor or if deeper steps are required. Once done with the basic reset, you'll run diagnostic tests to isolate the issue. Disable True Tone and Night Shift so the screen isn't shifting color or luminance automatically. That reveals real auto brightness behavior. Restart the iPhone to clear transient sensor errors and test in low, indoor, and bright sunlight conditions. Make sure to remove any screen protector or case that might block the ambient sensor. If brightness changes now, you've found the culprit and can proceed to final adjustments. Now finalize by updating iOS to the latest version, because fixes often arrive in software patches. If the update fails, use recovery mode and attempt again. If auto brightness still misbehaves, perform Reset All settings, which preserves data but clears configuration that could interfere. Finally, if nothing helps, you should contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for sensor diagnostics. This isolates hardware faults. One tip: if brightness fluctuates wildly after these steps,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.